Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add Instagram story highlights. If you are using Instagram and you want to add Instagram story highlights, so let's see how can you do that. So you have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first, to make a highlight, you may have a recent story. So if you don't have any recent story, very first you have to try to create a new story, and then you have to tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner. And here, just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here, and then select the archive option, and you will get all of your archive stories here. If you want to highlight or re-upload your any highlights, you'll get all of your highlights here. So here you will get all of your archive stories. You just have to select any story which you want to set as your highlight. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Simply tap on that, and here tap on this highlight option. And here you have to add a new highlight. You can rename it if you want. So once you have added a name, just tap on this add option here, and it will be added. Just tap on view and profile option, and here you can see this new highlight. So in this way, you can easily create a new highlight and your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.